It's easy to believe that if a parent or family member is experiencing hair loss and now you have hair loss, you think that, oh my gosh, I have genetic hair loss, but the two may not be related. In this video, we're going to discuss how genetics can play a part in hair loss, but what you can do to prevent it. I'm Dr. Nina, and on my channel, we talk about using functional medicine, hair health, and a holistic lifestyle to be your best self. So time and time again, I hear that, well, I'm genetically disposed to have male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss because my parents have it. And then we do testing and it's the total opposite. There are some other nutritional deficiencies that's going on or some type of health imbalances that's taking place. Now, when we talk about genetics, you may have a gene to where you're genetically disposed to have hair loss or you're genetically disposed to have a health condition. But the great thing about genes is that we can either activate these genes at an early age or we can deactivate these genes. So what I mean by that is that we need to change the behavior. So changing the behaviors is changing our lifestyle and changing some of the foods that we're eating to activate these genes. So if you are genetically disposed to have, let's say, male pattern hair loss or androgenetic hair loss, then you want to take a look at the type of foods that you're eating and change your lifestyle because you can slow it down. Resveratrol is really good. It's a herb that's made from red wine and it's huge in Europe, but it's really good for slowing down genes. And then eating an anti-inflammatory diet is going to be really good. Staying really healthy to slow genes down, being active if you are genetically disposed to it. But in most cases, I don't want you to assume. I want you to have an assessment done to make sure that you are on your own path and you know exactly what's taking place with your body as well as your hair loss. So if you would like to speak to a professional, you would like for me to do some testing, please feel free to book an evaluation. I'll be happy to help you. I hope you got some great information from this video. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, guys, take care.